to see Tyler. Saturday 29th of July. We are free actually, we're back from Secret Garden.
Nothing happened.
Hi. Where we went for coffee this morning? Brewed. Very yummy.
Getting ready for Secret Garden party and we've got a visitor. This is Mrs. Tibbles. The cat that comes and stays in Jack's room. Drew diaries, but bad ones.
And these ones are quite good because he's kind of wearing like suit trousers.
He's a young man in that.
I don't look like him.
No.
How old is he? Like 15 or something?
Oh,
He's old now. Get the cricket ones again. You're right, Jack.
Yeah,
You're very right.
So Drew plays cricket. He's got a beanbag hat.
Right on the bonds.
Right on the bonds.
Wow.
Like a right old twat.
It's kind of like elasticated at the back and just kind of sits.
Someone put a beanbag and a peak on his head.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's great.
Nice. Fickle Gate 3. We made it. BG3. We're going in the festival now.
They're wearing party hats.
Secret Garden Party. Secret Garden Party. Secret Garden Party. Secret da 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 da.
Attractive number on the left.
Garden Party. Secret Garden Party. Na 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 na. Hey. Na 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 na. Hey. We've arrived at Secret Garden Party. Just parked up. Walking behind the main stage. Just going to find Callum with our wristbands and our meal tickets because we're hungry. Hampel, you're going to like this. Come on. Look at the Wi-Fi password. Get that done.
Get it done.
Get it done.
Get it done.
This is the green room. It's more of a tent. Tea, coffee, and what does it say? When are we on? 4:30 till 5:30. Can't guarantee it.
Can't guarantee it.
Can't guarantee the full hour. But look over here, river. Lovely bit of kit there. So I'm going in on the main stage. Let's go out this way. Yeah, let's go for Rich. Richie! He's working hard, hardly working. Keep going, Richie!
What I've been looking for. Thank you.
These are not going to stay on.
They may do.
They're not going to.
What did you use to put them on?
It just comes with like sticky.
Oh, is it sticky back? You peel it off?
Yeah.
My good luck, Matt. Coming up to Where the Wild Things Are stage, where we played 2 years ago. And then we also played 3 years ago as well.
Yeah, man.
Twice.
Yeah.
Twice in a row. And then we had a break. Now we're back again. Good fun stage. Our friends from Brighton, Crooks, are playing on here tomorrow. They also got another set today as well, on the Friday. We're off to find some food. Oh, parties on that was good 2 years ago, tell you that. Fun. That's the tail. What are you saying?
I'll say my
Oh yeah, I'm out. Oh, they got paelleria. I love that place.
That's funny.
That's what we found for lunch. Falafels, that needs to be, goodness gracious, needs to be up there where falafels is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I hope they think we're fun. Just had our lunch. Now we're walking across the lake. Really glad the wind's not blowing the other way. We're in a tour bus this weekend. This is what it looks like. This is where we hang out, make food, watch movies, 2 screens. And then the kitchen, the living area, and then the front where the driver sits. I'm gonna go to our stage, see what happens. Open sesame. Sliders, of course. It's not my first time being in a band, you know. And clothes. So yeah, I went out on my bike earlier. Very muddy. Very muddy indeed. Oh look, there's another band's stuff. Where's the stage? That's it, there. 10, I believe. So let's go find it. Let's go find Callum and Noe, who's doing monitors for us today. This way, kind of dried out a little bit, but still really muddy. So I'm kind of safe in the sliders. But if it was earlier, I would have not been. Very damp feet. So let's see what's going on then, shall we? Sounds like there's a band on. Here's the ramp. Oh look, there's some of our things. Calcium!
And then that needs tiny enough of it, 'cause it's not quite.
I'll get to it, don't worry about it. Addy Suleiman.
It's worked best down low.
Look who we found, it's Lulu. Lulu and Shauna.
Yeah.
They finally met. A match made in tech heaven. What a duo. So we are on the bus. It's like 11:45 and we're about to leave Kendall Calling and go to Standard Calling. So I thought I'd just show you my bunk. This is where I sleep. Yeah, that's it. Just a little kind of hole. This is where I keep all my clothes because we've got loads of room. Festivals that we're doing, we've got not many people. And then there's the curtain that you can just put across when it's bedtime. So yeah, that's it right there. Got my iPad, book, laptop, GoPro, phone, drum stuff. Got my Garmin light charging in the corner there. Duvet, you know, there's a little aircon vent there. And that's it. It's pretty weird sleeping in a van. In a bus, sorry. When you first do it, because it's all shaky jakey, it's all over the place. But you get a bit used to it and it eventually just rocks you to sleep like a baby.